It's good, YouTube. You want to say something, Duffy?
Say what?
No, guess
What?
not.
Good.
Good.
YouTube. Say YouTube.
Cute.
What is good, YouTube? It's a Swift one here. With it still being July and having some leftover fireworks, we're about to see what happens when you send your drone up in the air with some sparklers attached to it. Hang on, I'll be right back. Take it up. We don't really suck one if we lost one. Rotate it. Alright, so what is good, YouTube? I'm back. That was pretty dumb. It really was. When you ain't got shit to do on a Saturday night, though, I mean, you know. But it was fun. It was dumb. I'm not going to attach no M80s or nothing like that. That's whatever. But anyway, yeah. Just had to do it. I don't know. Guys, give me some ideas. Run out of ideas for videos. Give me some ideas. If I get, like, say, 10 likes on this, I'll do something stupid. You guys just tell me what it is.